Andy, thank you so much for coming all the way up here because I know you're really busy.
You're welcome. I always like coming to Blackpool.
I mean, it strikes me that we need to really get the message out about all the investment that the Labour government has done in Blackpool, because it is fabulous in terms of the hospital and the seafront. Do you want to comment on that?
We do. I think everybody in the North West feels affectionate about Blackpool, and I, as a North West lad, have enjoyed seeing Blackpool starting to rise again under Labour. And I was just coming here this morning to see you, and drove past the health centre that I was fortunate to open only a few months ago, the Whitegate Health Centre. And I think that's to be honest, I've seen a lot of health centres around the country. That actually is one of the best I've ever seen. And you know, all the money that we've put in as well at the seafront, and that came through my former role at Culture. So I've been involved in giving some of this money to Blackpool, and I'm very proud of that.
And a future Labour government, more money to come, do you think?
Yeah, it's work in progress, isn't it? I think you know, we've got Blackpool heading the right direction, but I mean, from the health service point of view, we need to complete the health centre at Moor Park. Obviously, then we'll have the Whitegate, the one at Fleetwood. Yeah. We put more money at Victoria,
which is unrecognisable.
And you know, I hear great reports of it. So, from a health service point of view, there is more to be done, and I think there are plans for the seafront and some of the investment that will go in around there. So, we've got to carry this forward.
Absolutely. Quick message, why should people vote Labour in Blackpool North and Cleveland?
Well, they should look at what we've done, first of all. I think, if I'm speaking about my own policy area, the health service in my view is unrecognisable. I'm not saying it's perfect. There are things that still go wrong, it could be better in some ways. But our National Health Service has been restored by Labour. So that's the evidence of our track record, if you like. Of the future, well, my big idea is a national care service, and that's what we've been discussing here today. With some older people from the constituency, and there are lots of older people in this constituency. We want a care service to provide social and personal care on the same basis as the NHS, so free at the point of use according to people's needs. And I think this is a reform that can't come quickly enough from my point of view. So that's the Labour tradition, that's what Labour does. You know, it comes up with ideas that benefit everybody and looks after the most vulnerable, and we've got good ideas of things that we've done and things that we're going to do, so that's why people should vote for you, Penny, and vote Labour.
Absolutely. Thanks ever so much, Andy. Okay.